Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how to install WordPress to Hostinger. But before we begin, let me remind you that you can save 20% off Hostinger when you use the link down below in the description. Now let's get back into it. First up, go to Hosting, here Hosting tab. Basically, if you have already premium web hosting, you just need to click on this Add Website right here, the green button. And then you will now go to this page. Now here, what is your website type? So basically just need to click on skip. I don't want personalized experience. And then you will now go to the next page. And here you just need to create a new website. So start building your website with WordPress or other content management system. So you just need to click on select. And basically, if you want to use WordPress, so just need to select here under WordPress, select button. Then here we can create WordPress account. So here you can enter the administrator password. So we have already the administrator email. So just need to type here your password. And once you've done, just click on this continue. Then basically add plugins to your website. You can add some plugins like Monster Insights, Opt-in Monster, All-in-One SEO, WP Forms, WooCommerce, or Google Sitekit. But if you don't want this, skip right here at the bottom, skip I will manage plugins later. Now once you've done right here, you will now go on this page. Which look do you prefer? So basically just need to select any theme that you can use to your WordPress website. If you don't want to use it again, so skip, I don't need the template. Now here you are now on this page where your, as you can see, name your website. You can buy a domain or use an existing domain. So basically here, just need to click on buy a domain if you have purchased a domain, or you can use a domain previously purchased at another provider. Now right there, once you choose the option right there, then you can now go to the server location and then just need to choose your location. And then after that, you can now click on the finish setup and you can click on edit website and you will be directly take to the WordPress or the WordPress dashboard. So that's all. That's how you basically install WordPress to Hostinger. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to this channel and don't forget to ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.